What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you the simple Canva text effects and let me show you how. So the first step you need to do, you can open your blank page into this section. For example, I will go to this custom size, and for the width itself I will make it, for example, and also 800, and create new design until it will bring you into this new tab. And for example, I will start it from this text and go to this heading. For example, I'm gonna type creation like this, and you can also adjust the size of it, or let's say make it to be 50 like this. And after that you can also adjust the type of this font. For example, this one, I'm gonna make it way bigger like this. And let's say I will put it in the middle of the page, and you can also change the color. For example, I will choose the gradient color, for example this one. Change all, or you can also adjust which or pick the color that you want like this. And after that you can go to this apps and choose the cutout. You can choose this shape cutout and choose this shape cutout again, and you can go to the open. After that you can go to this export design and click it. Then you can also try to increase the size, for example like this, to become 2. Then click export and kindly wait. After that you can select all the letter like this, one by one. Oh no. There you go. Then click cutout and add to design and kindly wait. Then you can start to align it to be perfect fit with this previous word that we have just typed. After that you can scroll up and go to this element, and you can start to search for the picture that you would like to put here. For example, I will say the art. For example like this, and also I will choose this one, for example. Then you can remove this background if you want like this. Then you can adjust the size or magnify it, or you can also put it in the middle, for example. Like this. After that you can duplicate this picture and put it down here, for example. After that you can select this first picture and give the right click and go to the layer and go to this send backward like this. Then align the second picture to be the same position as the previous one, or the previous picture that we put in the backward. And for example, you can position this picture, let's say, to become like this. And this is the final result. And if you like it, then you can click share and you can start to download it with the PNG or JPEG format. And this design gonna be yours finally. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. Bye bye.